Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing scope. Pick one topic and limit space so you force clarity. Once chosen, select a compact format like a half-page or bullet list because space constraints make you prioritize. Set a 10-15-minute timer and begin capturing only core ideas, definitions, and examples. Don't write full sentences yet. Use phrases and symbols. This accelerates decision-making and creates a raw map you'll refine next. Make sure to mark any unclear points with A. Once the capture is done, reorganize. Group phrases under 3-5 clear headers so you see structure at a glance. Use abbreviations and arrows to show cause, contrast, or sequence. This saves space and keeps relationships explicit. For each header, write one clarified sentence that explains the core idea in plain words. You're converting fragments into retrieval cues. Make sure to underline or bold the single most important term. This becomes your anchor during review and improves recall dramatically. To finish, add 2 retrieval cues or quick questions at the top so you can test yourself later. Then write one crisp summary sentence and a single concrete example that illustrates the idea. Once done, review aloud for 60 seconds. This cements connections. If your notes feel cluttered, collapse them into 3 dominant bullets and rerun a 5-10-minute edit pass. If you still struggle, ask, which single phrase would remind you of this whole topic? Replace clutter with that phrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.